In this video, we will discuss about question number 11, exercise 8.1. So, this question is having 5 questions and in which we want to identify which one is true or which one is false. So, it is based on true false. Clear? So, we will read carefully and we will give answer. Clear? Observe question number 1. The value of tangent A is always less than 1. We studied trigonometry ratios of some specific angles. We are having some specific angles 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Clear? How we are getting this one? We already studied. You can observe how we will make this table. Clear? So, what is the first question? The value of tangent A, tangent theta, is always less than 1? Always. Question is saying always less than 1. This is true or false? Observe. Tangent theta at 0 degree is 0. Clear? It is less than 1. Tangent theta, observe, tangent 0 degree equal to 0 and it is less than 1. Condition is true. That time, once we use 0 degree, condition is true. Question, this observation we can say this is true. But once we change this angle, tangent 45 degree, what is the value? 1. 1 is less than 1? Not. 1 is not less than 1. 1 is equal to 1. So, what we can say? The value of tangent A is not always less than 1. Sometime it is happening less than 1, like tangent 0 equal to 0. Tangent 0 degree is 0. It is less than 1. But always not true. Why? Because tangent 45 degree is 1 and it is equal to 1. And tangent 90 degree. Tangent 90 degree is what? Infinity. Tangent theta equal to 90, theta equal to 90 degree, then this is what? Infinity. And it is not infinity and it is not less than 1. So, we can say tangent theta varying from 0 to infinity. Sometimes tangent theta is less than 1, but not always. We are having more than theta. Once we use other angles, then we will get more than 1. Like tangent 45 degree, we are getting 1. So, it is not less than 1, it is equal to 1. 90 degree, we are getting infinity value. It is not less than 1, it is more than 1. So, the value of tangent theta is always less than 1. This is false. This is what? False. It is not true. And this is the verification. We can justify tangent 0 it is less than 1, but tangent 45 it is equal to 1, and at tangent 90 degree it is infinity, and 45 degree and 90 degree both are not less than what? 1. So this statement is false. Clear? Now observe question number second one. Sec A equal to 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. Once we put some angle A and its value is 12 upon 5. Observe this one. First we will solve sec A equal to 12 upon 5. What is its value? Sec A equal to 12 upon 5. Observe this one. Sec theta equal to 12 upon A. We are having some angle and its value is 12 upon 5. So what is its one? Solve this one. Once we solve this one, this is the fraction, decimal will be what? 2 times it is going, 2 is remaining. So 20, 5 4 ja 20, 2.4. So sec A is 2.4. This 12 upon 5 is what? 2.4. Observe, where is the sec theta? Sec theta varies from 1 to infinity. 1 to infinity. It means 1 to infinity we are having this value. Yes or no? 2.4 is in between 1 to infinity. So sec theta is varying from what? From the table we can say it is varying from 1 to infinity, and this value is there. So it means sec theta, sec A equal to 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. Yes, it is possible. Yes or no? 12 upon 5 is what? 2.4, and it is in between 1 to infinity. In this range we are having this value lies. This value lies in between, in this range. So we can say sec theta is 1 to infinity. When we increase the theta, value is increasing. And 2.4, this value is lies. This value lies in between. So we can say this is what? True. This statement is true. Sec A equal to 12 upon 5 for some value of angle A. Yes, it is. It lies in sec theta 1 to infinity. Sec theta varying from 1 to infinity, and this value what? Lies in which? Clear? Now next question. Cos A is the abbreviation used to the cosecant of angle A. First observe cos A. Cos A is the abbreviated form of cosine theta. Observe, cos theta, we know cos A, it is abbreviated of cosine of angle A. It is abbreviated this one, है ना? What? Cos A is abbreviated of cosine of angle A. Clear? Cosecant of angle A, its abbreviated form is what? Cosecant. It means cot A. Cosecant of angle A, its abbreviated form is what? Cot A. But we want cos A, and it is abbreviated of cosine of angle A. So this one is true or false? This is false. Cos A is not abbreviated. Cos A is abbreviation used for this one? No. So we can say this is what? False. This is false statement. It is abbreviated of cosine of angle A, and cosecant of angle A, its abbreviation is what? Cot A. Clear? Now next one. Cot A is the product of cot and A. Observe, we studied already, we are having 6 trigonometry ratios, and these all are what? Symbols. Cot A, this is the trigonometry ratio, and this is what? Symbol. This is symbol. We are having 6 trigonometry ratios, these all are symbols, in which cot and A both are not in a product form. It is symbol. Clear? So cot A is the product of? No, it is the what? Symbol. So it is false statement. Clear? Cot A is symbol of symbol. It is not product of both. Clear? So it is false. Now last one. Sin theta equal to 4 upon 3 for some angles of theta. Observe, this is important question. Sin theta, what we are having? Sin theta equal to 4 upon 3. Once we solve this one, once we convert this fraction into decimal, what we are getting? One time it is going, 1 is remaining, 4 divided of 3. 1 time is going, 1 is remaining, then we are using point. It means 10 divided of 3 will be what? 3 times it is going, again 3 times it is going, and so on, like this. 1.33, this value, this is the fraction, its decimal is 1.33. Sin theta equal to 4 upon 3 for some angle theta. Observe table. For 0 to 90 degree, sin theta lies between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. Sin theta values varying from 0 to 1. And in between we are having this one, no, 1.33. In a sin theta, always any angle values will be -1 to +1. For sin theta and cos theta, for sin theta and cos theta, 0 to 90 we are getting 0 to 1 and 1 to 0, but for some angle we are getting negative values also. So for any angle sin theta and cos theta lies between -1 to 1. Clear? But this value is more than 1. This is what? Greater than 1. So we can say this is not the value of sin theta. Sin theta equal to 4 upon 3, it is this one. Sin theta lies between -1 to 1. Any value of theta, put, solve, then we are getting values what? -1 to 1. So we are having 1.3, it is more than 1, not possible. So sin theta equal to 4 upon 3 for some angle of theta, no, false. Why? Values of sin theta lies between -1 to 1. Sin theta and cos theta we can say. So this is the last question of exercise 8.1 we completed today. Before this we studied all the trigonometry ratios of some specific angles. We obtained this table and now we can easily to solve these questions. So I am taking this one today. I hope you understand these all questions. These are all easy. Once we understand the concept of trigonometry, then you can easily to solve these all questions. So that's all about this class. Thank you so much.